1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Count the number. No, there are 5 balls. Count the number. Right, there are 2 rabbits. Count. Click on the color 5 balls. Color 2 boxes. Count and drag. Sorry. Right. One, 2, 3. Suppose you have 5 apples. You give 1 apple to your sister. Now you have 4 apples. You give 1 to your friend. You are left with 3 apples. You ate 1 apple. Click on the number to start. 0 and 1 is 1. 0 and 7 is 7. 1, 8. Number name. Z-E-R-O, 0. O-N-E, 1. T-W-O, 2. T-H-R-E-E, 3. F-O-U-R, 4. Drag the number names to the correct. Right. Wrong. Click on right. Wrong. Number line. The line with all the numbers written in a sequence beginning from 0 is called number line. On the number line, the numbers are written in increasing order. That is, the number which is smaller is on the left and the Drag the correct sign. Correct. Number 7 is greater than 5. Exactly. Number 7 is greater than number 3. Before, after, in between. For a person, what number comes? Correct. Number 6 comes. What number? Correct. Number 6 comes in between 5 and 7. Addition. Suppose you have no toffees. So you can say you have 0 toffees. Your mother came from the market. She brought 1 toffee for you. Now you have 0 plus 1 equal to 1 toffee. Shape. Size. Size. Taller, shorter. These terms are used to compare. Select the. It's correct. Select the. Wow, keep it up. Size. Shape. Subtraction. Suppose we have 5 numbers. They are 1 according to the number, 6, 8 and 9. What do you observe? Drag the numbers in ascending order. No, the correct sequence is click on the numbers in sequence starting from 1.